Hello, thank you for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing some razors. Now I had not planned to get any razors this month, but I went to an antique shop I haven't been since probably November 2022, and it's March 2023. So it's been a while, and I went in there and I was very surprised what was there for razors. And there was the ones in front of you, plus there was a Gem Junior baton handle. There was some Colgate, not, it was vintage, but it was like in a tube, but the shave stick was gone, so, and they wanted a lot of money. But let's get on to the razors here. I picked up these three. I'll start with the one that's this Merkur I found. It was $8. I'll open it up here. It's a 3-piece, and it still has the I don't think it's ever been used. It's new in the box. 3-piece. Pretty cool. $8. Thought it was awesome for the price. I've been wanting a this style of head on a razor. The closest thing that I have to something like this is the Lord razor. So I wanted to try something out like that. I was going to get a 34C, but you know what? I'll get that. All right. I'll go with the Gem next. You can see it's a button in the box. In this box, pretty much mint. And it is a Gem Damascene in very good condition. Awesome. I couldn't believe I found that. I've been looking for a Damascene for a while. Let me see. Oh, yep, there is there's a blade in here. There's one left. Gem Damascene Gem razor. See, does it say? Yeah, it does. It says Gem Damascene. So yeah, and there's the original. Oh, sorry guys. There's the original box. I thought it was worth the 24 plus tax. Awesome. I'll have a shave up with that next. Now let's get to the star of the show. I found another lather catcher. It's a star. I'm going to open it up here and show you. Let me see what's in here. Oh, wow. I just opened the top of the box and looked. It's got the handle with it. It's got the strap with it. It's got a blade in it. It does not have blade stop, so I'm guessing this is an earlier one. Let me know. I'm going to screw the handle in, and you guys can let me know down in the comments, what this is. I'll scroll. I'll try to focus it for you. Let me get this blade out of here. Yeah, that goes down. There's the blade. It's got a little rust up here, but hey, everything's there. Awesome. And I seen these go on eBay for a lot more than 18 whatever. So, and the blade, man, let me look. Man, this could be honed probably. I haven't sharpened any blades like this in quite a long time, so I haven't done any knife sharpening, but I'll give it a try, and if it don't work, so I'll get a blade adapter. If you know what year this is, let me know. But yeah, so this is my haul I got for today at the antique shop. I'm very happy for what I paid for everything. Next shave will be up Sunday with this. So you guys take care. Have a great rest of your week. I'll see you all on Sunday, and happy shaves. Bye.